Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see the difference between QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. Both are very popular softwares, so we will make the comparison and see which one is better. So if this is the first video you're watching on our channel, then we have a complete playlist that you can check out from the description. And without wasting any time, let's get started with this video.
So in this video, I'll go through some of the advantages and some of the disadvantages of both of the versions of QuickBooks. Now, one of the advantages of using QuickBooks Desktop is it is a one-time purchase. That means you can spend anywhere between $200 to like $1,000 or $1,500 depending on the size of the company and the version you want. But after that, you don't have to pay anything on the monthly basis. The other advantage is one software purchase can be used for multiple companies. That means if you are an entrepreneur who have multiple businesses, so you can use the same software and open number of companies with that same license and within that same cost. Because QuickBooks Desktop simply treats different companies as different files. So if you have multiple files in any software like Excel, like Word, so they don't mind it. They treat it like just multiple files. That's it. So you can have multiple companies in the same software. The QuickBooks Desktop version has some features that are not available in an online version, like handling inventory. QuickBooks Online version is not that powerful to handle inventory-based businesses, any kind of production, any kind of trading businesses. It has very basic functions related to inventory. It is more preferred for the service-based companies. The other features that are not necessarily available in online version are job costing and customer discounts. So if these features are critical for your business, then QuickBooks Online might not be right version for you. So you must use QuickBooks Desktop if you handle inventory and if you're using some kind of job costing and if you are dealing with customer discounts. So in summary, that means QuickBooks Desktop is much more powerful than QuickBooks Online version. Now here are some disadvantages of QuickBooks Desktop version. The automatic sync function with the bank is not as streamlined as in the online version. Means this is not fully automatic. You have to manually download the transactions from the bank records and then import that entries in the QuickBooks Desktop version. And if you want the transactions to automatically feed into your QuickBooks software, then QuickBooks might apply some fees for that. That can range anywhere between $15 to like $25 a month. QuickBooks new versions are released annually. So that means if you want an upgrade in your system, you have to wait it for the annual upgrade. And even for that, you have to pay some fees if you want to, you like upgrade from QuickBooks 2018 to 2019. The fees may apply on you. You cannot just upgrade the software within the same fees. But normally, when you purchase a software, you can extend up to like 3 years to get a new version if you don't need that much of extensive reporting, because the most upgrades are related to reports normally. The QuickBooks files are saved into your computer, and this could be a disadvantage because if your computer is stolen or it is hacked or maybe the hard disk got damaged, then you will not have access to your QuickBooks files. Obviously, there are some solutions for that. You need to take care of regular backups. You can even schedule backup your QuickBooks so that it can take automatic backups at a certain time, and you can upload that on your Google Drive to save yourself from these situations. Now, if you're a person who sometimes use software on your desktop and sometimes you are on the go and you want to use on your laptops, then this might cause a little bit problem because you have to take a backup and then restore in that other computer. And if you have done some work on the go while you are on the laptop, then you need to upgrade that to your desktop system as well, because you wanted to make sure that transactions should be there in your desktop as well. The next point is same, that you need to transfer the file back to your accountant. That means if you have entered something while you were on the go, then you have to transfer that file back to the accountant so that he can update that backup onto the main PC that company is using. If you have multiple users in your company, then you will have to pay multiple licenses cost for each user. That means if you have 5 users, you have to pay like $150 per user into 5. So that can get too expensive, especially if you have a bigger accounts department. Now let's bring in QuickBooks Online advantages. Now this version of QuickBooks is an online cloud accounting software which can be used on a browser like any other website like Facebook or Gmail account. So there is a specific website for it. You can just simply log in and give your password, and then you can access your accounts on the browser. So all you need is an internet access to get into your company. There is no software that is required for the online version. One of the advantages of QuickBooks Online is online sync with the bank is fully automatic. That means it automatically transfers your transactions from the bank account directly into your software. Now this can save a lot of time if you have hundreds of bank transactions in a day. You always have the access to the latest version when you are using QuickBooks Online. That means anytime they make a software update, you will always have access to that latest version. Now, unlike desktop version, it can be accessed from any computer or mobile devices. So if you are a person who are using the software sometimes on your PC, sometimes on your laptop, and sometimes on the go, basically if you're using it on multiple devices, then it can save a lot of time for you because you don't need to take a backup and restore in that other device. You can simply just go to the website, put your username and password, and you are good to go. And also you can access it from anywhere, unlike QuickBooks Desktop, because even if the desktop version has multiple users access, it can be accessed in a certain office environment that is connected through a LAN. That means it is basically on a local area network. And if you're outside your premises, you can be live system file. The QuickBooks Online version comes with a minimum of 5 users. So if you have multiple users, you can set it up with a single license that need to be purchased because it is at least with a 5 user license, and you can limit access all the users according to the areas that they are handling. Now let's talk about some of the disadvantages of this online version. One of the disadvantages, over time it can cost you more than QuickBooks Desktop one-time purchase cost because it comes with a monthly fees, and it can vary from which of the versions you are using because basically they have some different versions, basic, standard, or advanced. So on a monthly basis, over the period of a year or two, it will cost you more. Multiple companies require separate files. Means if you're a business owner and you own more than one businesses, then you can't handle all of these within the same license fee. If you own 3 companies, you have to pay for 3 different licenses on a monthly basis, and that each comes with a 5 user licenses. But you can't just create multiple companies within the same license. But obviously if you are purchasing multiple licenses, you can get some discount. I've heard some of my clients has obtained discounts on multiple licenses that you can check from their website. Now this version does not have some features that are available in the desktop version. So again, the advantages I've discussed in the QuickBooks Desktop version are disadvantages for the online version because it don't have proper handling of inventory. If you are an advanced inventory user, it has very basic, online version has very basic inventory handling. So it is not good for that. Job costing is not there, and customer discount option is not there. So QuickBooks Online basically is only good for service-based businesses. If you're handling inventory, then you might need many functions that are related to inventory. And even in the desktop version, there are some different versions that is separated in Pro version, Premier version, and Enterprise version. So Enterprise version is the most advanced on which we will do the training. So now let's move to the next part, and I'll explain you how to install QuickBooks on your desktop. And this version will be QuickBooks Desktop 2018 version, and this is an enterprise solutions version. So I'll show you exactly how to install it and then how to crack it so that you can use it for the indefinite period. So let's move to our next video.